Hello, another fast delivery from Lazada.com. This is a Wi-Fi unit. It's a broadband Wi-Fi unit, and I'm opening it for the first time. The box is not in good condition. See, and it's also not a sealed item. There's no seal. Let's look inside. There's a car cigarette lighter adapter, and then the unit itself, no more. So let's just see the unit. Hopefully this I can make it function easily. Hopefully there's a manual online. There's no manual included, by the way. So this is it. This is the unit. See, I'm making another video on how to make it function for the first time, but as of now, this is just an unboxing. I still don't know how to make it work. See you.